In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather widget to WordPress. We'll be using Elf site to generate the widget, and then we'll place that widget directly into your WordPress site using a custom HTML block. This is a simple way to add live weather information to a page without needing to manually code the feature from scratch. To get started, open Elf site and go to the My Apps area. Once you're there, look to the top left and click on Catalog. This is where you can browse available widget types. In the catalog search bar, type in weather. When the results appear, click on a sample weather widget. This lets you start with a ready-made layout, which is helpful if you want to get the widget live quickly. On the next screen, click Continue with this template to move forward with that design. After that, click Publish. At this stage, Elf site may ask you to choose a plan or confirm setup details. If you see that prompt, click Select to continue. Then, once the widget is ready, click Copy Code. This copies the embed code you'll need for WordPress, so make sure that step is completed before leaving Elf site. Next, switch over to your WordPress site and open the editor for the page where you want the weather widget to appear. In the editor, click the plus sign at the top left to add a new block. In the search field, type HTML. When the HTML option appears, click on it to insert a custom HTML block into the page. Now paste the code you copied from Elf site directly into that HTML block. This is the key step that connects the external widget to your WordPress page. Be careful to paste the full code exactly as copied so the widget loads properly. Once the code is in place, click Update to save your changes. That publishes the widget to the page. After updating, it's a good idea to preview or refresh the page on the front end of your website to make sure the weather widget displays correctly. If it doesn't appear right away, double check that the code was pasted into a custom HTML block and that the page was updated successfully. And that's it. You've now added a weather widget to WordPress using Elf site. It's a quick process, and once you've done it once, you can repeat the same method for other embedded widgets as well.